So I've just been out for a fly and it's time to change the battery, and now this is what will happen when I try to change the battery on only one of the AfroESCs. As soon as it plugs in, all the others light up, and this gives this sequence. So that's one, a pause, and then two quick flashes. I think it might mean phase B might be high or something like that. That's in the documentation. When I finished flying, I did notice that this rotor didn't rotate as well as some of the others, as in it had like a resistance to it from the magnetic resistance, I guess. Any info would be appreciated. Cheers.